Hello, second grade students. This is our fourth digital citizenship lesson called Digital Trails. By the end of the lesson, this is the question that you should be able to answer. What information is okay to have in your digital footprint? Today we're going to watch a video called Follow the Digital Trail. A trail is a path or track that someone can follow. As you watch, pay close attention to the types of information that are and aren't okay to share online.
I just don't know where all these prints are coming from. It's a mystery. Whom do they belong to?
You know, there's some footprints that you just can't erase.
What do you mean?
I'm talking about something we all do. We all leave footprints online. They're called digital footprints. Every time you go online to play a game, type an email, or search the internet, you leave a trail.
Really? I'm online all the time sharing things. I play online, I post online, I submit and send things online almost every day.
Well, since you're online a lot, you have footprints all over the place, and it's really hard to erase these footprints.
You mean I can't just clean them up?
No, it doesn't work like that.
How does it work?
Our digital footprint can get really big really quickly, so we need to pause and think when we're online. We need to be safe, responsible, and respectful.
Wow. So what should I be careful about not sharing online?
Never share private information like your full name, address, telephone number, your age or birthday, or even your school.
I guess that makes sense. But what's okay to share then?
I share personal information, just not private information. I keep my full name and address to myself, but I feel safe sharing stuff like my hobbies and my favorite things.
Okay, I think I've got this. I may have a big footprint online, but I need to make sure what I'm sharing is safe, responsible, and respectful.
You got it.
It still doesn't solve the mystery of these muddy footprints, though. Aha! Case closed.
Remember to pause and think online. If you're not sure what to do, ask a trusted adult first. How big is your digital footprint?
In the video, Feet was talking about a digital footprint. What is a digital footprint? Go ahead and pause the video right now if you want to take time to discuss that at home. A digital footprint is a record of what you do online, including the websites you visit and the things that you share. What information does Feet say is not okay to share online? Pause again and discuss this at home. The information that Feet suggests not sharing online is private information. Private information includes your full name, your address, your phone number, your age and birthday, and your school name. But Feet also thinks it is okay to share other things online. What are some things that Feet thinks is okay to share online? Feet says it's okay to share hobbies, interests, and favorite things online. We're going to follow the trail of Ellie the elephant and Mervyn the mouse. After we follow both trails, we will complete the chart on the following slide. As you watch the digital footprint that each animal leaves behind, I want you to ask yourself, which character shared his full name? Which character gave me enough information where I could find his or her house? Do I know the birth date of one of the characters? Which character shared a username and password? And who let out a secret on the internet? Here's our first one, and our first one is Ellie Electra Elephant. Here, Ellie shares a picture of herself and her name. Here is a birthday cake with a birth date of February 21st, 2010. Ellie's favorite hobby is ice skating. Here is a picture of Ellie on the internet, and she is sharing her username and password. If you would like to find out where Ellie lives, here's her address, 123 Waterhole Lane, Peanuts, Ohio. And here is Ellie's favorite photo. Next, we're going to take a look at Mervyn Mouse. Here is Mervyn. His full name is Mervyn Maisel Mouse. Here's a secret that Mervyn shared on the internet. My brother and I fight all the time. Look at that, they're fighting over cheese. Can we find where Mervyn lives? Mervyn lives in a mouse hole. Here's a picture of it, but I don't see a real address. Mervyn shares his favorite food, and I bet you could all guess it. It's cheese. He has a pet called Carl the caterpillar. And here is Mervyn's favorite photo of a place he likes to be. So let's see who shared the most information. The full name was shared by both Mervyn the mouse and Ellie the elephant. We can't find Mervyn's house because he did not give us his full address, but Ellie the elephant did. We don't know Mervyn's birth date, but Ellie shared hers, so we know her birth date and how old she is. Ellie also shared a username and password, but the only one that shared a secret was Mervyn the mouse. Remember his secret that him and his brother liked to fight over cheese. Boys and girls, when you share information online, that information that you share becomes permanent. Permanent means something that lasts forever. So remember that there are many things that are okay to share and things that are not okay to share online. It is okay to share your hobbies and your interests and some of your favorite things, but it is not okay to share your full name, your address, a birth date, a password, your school name, or any information that would hurt others. Today we learned about digital footprints, which leave a permanent trail about ourselves on the internet. Now I want you to take a moment to reflect on the information that is okay to share online and what isn't. So if you would like to draw a picture of something that is okay to share about yourself on the internet, or you could write something that is not okay to share on the internet and explain why. So boys and girls, this is the end of lesson 6 of Digital Citizenship called Digital Trails.